What will you do? Because his are using the live stream. So live stream do because his are using the live stream. So live stream do because his are using the live stream. So live stream do because his are using the live stream. So live stream do it's the stream to because his are using the live stream. So live stream do it's get a live stream computer for that's your broadcasting. Because his are using the live stream. So live stream do it's get a live stream computer for that's your stream. Show the live streams and it's this can display. Show private chats first layer YouTube overlay. Needed integrates using always either browser source. Set the size with the height and for just adjust the position on the screen. Flow chart. When I watch, when I start YouTube live stream, but I want to always see someone chat. but you can view video content.
Having to stream with one monitor can be extremely frustrating since you can't read your chat while you're in game. Well, after following today's video, your chat and your recent events like your new subscribers or donations or followers will always be as a window on top of your game even when you're playing in full screen. This video is brought to you by Own.tv. Are you looking for new emotes? Then the new emote maker from Own.tv further to create a character that looks very similar to you. When you're done customizing, simply click on generate emote and then you will be able to select the emotes you want to buy. The more you select, the cheaper it gets per emote. If you're interested, then go to Own.tv or click the link on top of my description to start creating your own emote today. Now, the first thing we want to do is get 2 separate windows for our recent events and our chat, and then afterwards we will show those windows on top of the game. Now, when you go to the settings and then to the stream tab, you see that you can log in with your Twitch account here, since I can disconnect it right now. However, when you stream on YouTube or Facebook, you can't log in here because you simply add your stream key. Now, when you stream on Twitch, you can just go to view, then to docs, and then right here you will see your chat. Then when it's part of the interface, you can just click on this icon right here and this will pop it out, making it a separate window, which we will later display on top of our game. Now, when you stream on Facebook or YouTube, you need to do it in another way. Now, for those that stream on YouTube, you will obviously recognize this dashboard, and on the right you can see your chat, right? But if you click on these buttons right here and then on pop out chat, then you will get a separate window. Let's simply click on got it, and then right here we have the same chat window, but then for YouTube. By the way, if it's too zoomed in, you can just click on this right here and then make it smaller. Let's make it about the same size as the Twitch chat. Now, for those that stream on Facebook, as far as I know, it's not really possible to get a pop-out window like this, but there is another way, and I'm gonna get back to it. First, I'm gonna explain the recent events, since that's gonna be the same thing for everyone. So first, go to streamelements.com and then log in with your streaming platform right here. For me, it already says my dashboard. Now, once you log in, you should see your streaming channel right here, and then you can just click on activity feed. Then right here you see a pop-out button, and this will give you a separate window with your recent events. So let me close this, let me position it right here. As you see, you can just rescale it a bit like this, and in this window you will see your recent subscribers, recent followers, donations, super chats, everything like that. Now, there is another way to show your chat in a window, which is more customizable if you want to make it look a bit different on the side of your screen, maybe another color or another text size or stuff like that. And this also works for Twitch, and it gives you more customization of the way the chat will be displayed on top of your game while you're playing. I'm gonna show it with Twitch, so it's with the same website as before, Stream Elements. Just log in with Facebook or Twitch, and then on the left, instead of going to the activity feed which we just added, you want to click on my overlays. Then you want to click on create blank overlay, and then change this resolution to custom, and then make it 500 by 500. Click on start. Then on the bottom, click on the plus icon, go to stream tools, and then your streams chat. And then instead of repositioning and rescaling it, just go to the left and then go to position, size and style, make it 500 wide and 500 high, and then click on center widget. Now, this window here will display your streams chat, and I'm gonna show you. This is the Twitch chat, so let's type something. Let's click on enter, and then you will see it appearing right here. Let's type a few more messages, and then I'm gonna show you how to change some things. So when you go to text settings, then you can change your font here if you want, and you can also change the size, which is pretty useful, but don't make it too big because otherwise the text will soon create multiple lines instead of one single line with people's message. You can also go to settings and then change the theme here. For example, custom deletes the background and only shows you the text, which can be useful to show it on top of your game. And the white theme right here just changes the background to white. Now I'm gonna change it to dark chat to make it easy to see. Once you did this, you click on save on the top right, you give it a name, for example, Twitch chat in my case, you click on save, and then on the top you will see copy overlay URL. Just click on that, and this will be the URL that will display this chat. So now I can close this browser window. Let's reposition things. So this was my Twitch chat, this is the YouTube pop-out chat, and then the thing we did now works for Twitch and for Facebook. And if you want to get it as a separate window, there are 2 ways to do it. First of all, you can go to view docs and then custom browser doc, and then here you can write Twitch chat, for example, and then paste the URL in the second column. Now click on apply, and that will create a separate window right here that you can also position in OBS Studio by doing it like this, but you can also pop it out and then rescale it a bit, and then you can overlay this on top of your game, because that's the thing I'm going to show you right now. Just to show you that it works, when we type something in the Twitch chat, which we've added before, you will see it appearing right here. So one more time to recap everything. This is the recent events, and this works for everything. It's on Stream Elements, it's the activity feed. I've explained this. This is the same for everything. If you stream on Twitch, you can just log in OBS Studio and then go to view docs, and then right here go click on chat, and that's this separate window. If you stream on YouTube, you just pop out the YouTube chat in your studio, and that will show it right here. And then this is the Stream Elements chat overlay, and this works for Facebook and for Twitch. So I'm gonna continue with the Twitch chat and the Stream Elements activity feed, which will work for everything. And to show this on top of your game, you need to download a program called See-Through Windows. Just search for it on Google, and then the first link will be the program. Scroll down to the bottom and then download it for Windows. Here you will probably have a 64-bit system. Just click on it, go through the installation, and when you're finished, you will find it right here. Now keep in mind that when you click it, it will open in the background. So you need to click on this arrow, and then this is the program. You can right click and exit it, which you need to do every time you want to close the program, since it goes to here when you close the interface, or you can click on options, which is what we are going to do right now. Now by default, this hotkey combination will be something different. I chose for Ctrl P because that never interferes with my game, but you can do whatever you want. Just enable the modifiers and then choose one letter or one function key, etc. And when you click on preview transparency, then this window will become the transparency that you've selected right here. here, so this way you can easily test what you would like. Don't make it too transparent because otherwise your chat will go to the background on your game. So just make it something like this. This usually works. Then make sure that these two checkboxes are enabled. Disable the preview transparency, and after that, when you know your hotkey combination, you can just close this since it will stay open right here in the background. So let's go back a bit right now. And right now, it isn't clickable, it isn't selectable, it's just staying there as you see on top of any program. When I open my browser, for example, it will stay on top of everything. You can do the same thing for this right here. Control P in my case, also not clickable, and this is perfect. Now keep in mind, if you want to get the window back, since this is part of OBS Studio, right? This is the Twitch dock that we added in OBS Studio right here, but if you disable the chat and then you enable it again, it will still be transparent. So the only way to get rid of it is to close the program, which will disable the power it had over these windows. Now there is one extra thing that's really important for when you're gaming, so I'm gonna position it right here. Let's make it a bit smaller. Control P. Then let's place the chat right here. I have a wide screen, so I have a lot of space on my screen, so I can just make it a bit bigger here, and then I'm just gonna launch my game. Now something really important, you can't close OBS Studio or minimize it, because then the browser docs
Oh yeah, that's been so at least let's boost it this way. The real need is descriptions. We do fix when I if target target must be going to this book. It's not air. How to let this sleep. He nothing mind but is need to steal for worry. Right. Nothing mind but it should steal for when what is mass equal greater one. But if the bedrock, if the target type is Nazi to bedrock, and target what are Nazi to bedrock. I want to hear like removing inverter showing. Mm-hmm. It has empty body. Just it. Nothing to mind. Stable machine. Then we cancel the machine, right? So this time we have to check that just this return check this my machine can open either what it's either what we have to make sure just this. Yeah, is this okay we output. Now fix the make as can forward. So else it would not. Else if the material type is the target box. Else if target box is equal to air. We have to make the sound, make it something. Yeah. How's this? Companion fold. So current position date, the facing direction. Yeah. If this is right, we build it. And this means micro launcher. I put it Do copy this to our Macro server. Multiplayer versus my server is this, and we have to try get the energy code, put it to somewhere. Why each die is cost the 2. Something wrong. Your code energy consumes energy. Each room remove the one code. Return false. It can forward. Yeah, it can forward. Hmm? Wait, for can mining should it's beyond first in protection. How to fix it? It can fall. PvP. You want to play the PvP? Hello. Yeah, I subscribe. I subscribe to your channel. Hey. 你好啊。Go to is maybe for how to get in the source code. Okay, I had the code. 嗯 something wrong. I have to less dispenser was remove the older dispensers first. So go to here, remove the old dispenser. I built it. This is 你好啊，你好啊。And if I can put this pocket directly to here. Since week. And I'm building the past. No. Since it starts working, I restart. Something that go to one channel. If I press here. Yeah, right. Perfect. This is what I want. Cool. But this time I made some issues. Is when I broken the dispenser or my machine. measures. And well, the mining machines is still costs like coal a energy. Energy. How to fix it? And usually describe is this when you mining machines box is broken. This continue to consume coal energy. 因为无法取暖。Yeah. It's as surface with check active mining machine. Cancel task when machine is broken. Add the activity machines method to track the running machine by their location. Cross mining machine Java plugin to listener. Okay. I have to create an activity machine. Putting out the many long tasks over disable. Cutting other long tasks. Cancel test service. Activity machines margin for each. Cancel. Iterator cancel. Add this new event handler. Here modify this dispenser. Active machines mark the location that's vulnerable. Current position rock diving is not equal material dispenser. Practice one. If I don't if I delete the source code, then I could adjust to check the dispenser is assist or not. Recovery is broken. Stop. Go back to our plugin. I passed. Relaunch my server. Join. Okay. Oh, oops. Wow. So this name. Active machine starts water location. Dot cancel. Are you listening this market? Even activity mission. Wonderful. I can spot it. Okay, besides I can book the missions except I using. Enable. What is this portion? Mhm. Can you hear? Yes. Hello. And uh, meter song easy. This can start. Mhm. I can start. Let us to join the Minecraft server. The level is high, and we have the image. Mhm. Cool. Look at the song code to here. No. Ah, okay, now it's can broken. remove my machine. What is? I can't use. It's using my machine's command. And, oops. Hmm? Ah. Oh, yeah.